Welcome to the launch of DJI's latest drone, the Air 3S. From now on, we will explore all the new features of this amazing and innovative device that has raised the level in drone technology. But before we dive into the technical specifications, let's take a look at the stunning images from the presentation video. Now that we've seen what it's capable of, let's uncover the technical details that made these incredible images possible. As you may have noticed, the Air 3S brings a significant technological advancement in its positioning system. It features a new front sensor that uses revolutionary LiDAR technology, similar to that used in autonomous vehicles. This sensor is much more accurate than the previous one, as it does not depend on ambient light. It is the first drone to utilize such an advanced system. This new sensor, combined with the existing optical sensors from the previous version, allows the software to literally create a 3D image of the environment. This information is stored in the internal memory, enabling the drone to establish a safe route, even without GPS signal. This new system has opened up a range of possibilities, such as safer night flights and smarter returns to base, with obstacle avoidance even without GPS. This allows the drone to land safely in covered areas like balconies or even windows. The altitude sensor has also been improved. Although it still uses the same optical and infrared sensors as the previous model, its software has been updated for more accurate readings. It also retains the lower light feature that helps illuminate the landing area. Now, let's talk about another standout feature of the Air 3S, the camera. The optical system is still dual, and the main camera has a 24mm wide-angle lens. There's a new 1-inch sensor with a 50-megapixel resolution. This allowed for a significant improvement, enabling sharp, noise-free nighttime images, shooting in 4K at 120 FPS. This sensor is not only great at night or in low-light scenes, it also performs incredibly well during the day, delivering spectacular images like these. The other camera hasn't changed. It still has a 70mm lens with 3 times optical zoom. The sensor has a 48 megapixel resolution, which gives the operator a lot of flexibility, allowing for long-distance shots without losing focus on the subject. Now, let's look at the other technical features: autonomy and range. The battery has 62 watts, and although it has slightly more capacity than the previous one, it will have nearly the same flight time of about 45 minutes. However, this battery is compatible with the previous model. The Fly More kit comes with 2 extra batteries and an intelligent charger that allows transferring charge between the batteries, enabling you to always have one battery with the highest possible charge for more flights. The remote will have a transmission range of up to 12.4 miles, both with the RC-2 model, which has a built-in screen, and the RC-N3 model, which uses the cell phone screen. Another highlight is the maximum altitude, which can reach 3.75 miles, while the top speed is 47 miles per hour. These combined features of long battery life and extended control range give pilots more freedom, especially for those who need to take longer shots with panoramic videos at different angles. With the Air 3S, you'll have plenty of time to capture the perfect footage without worrying about the battery running out or losing signal range. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment about which drone you'd like me to review in the next video. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.